Alright, before we dive in, let me just set the stage a bit. I haven't used a OnePlus device since the 8 Pro, so it's been a minute. And honestly, I didn't know what to expect coming back to the brand. But after spending 3 weeks with the OnePlus 13, I've got to say I'm genuinely impressed. If you've been holding out for this phone, you've made the right decision.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Now, just a quick disclosure, OnePlus gave me this device for review, but as always, they didn't ask me to say anything specific. They simply handed me the phone and said, go have fun. So all of these thoughts are my own. How's it going, everyone? My name is RJ, and today we're diving into the OnePlus 13, a phone that's making some serious waves. Starting at just $899, this phone is jam-packed with some serious specs. We're talking about a 6000 mAh battery, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 80 watts wire charging, a stunning display, and cameras that are honestly hard to beat. I've been using this device for about 3 weeks now, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack, so let's break it down. Starting off with the design. The OnePlus 13 is all about balance. It's a phone that looks and feels just right. From a distance, its clean, minimalist design is understated, but up close, you notice the intricate details. The perfectly placed camera module that's built around the golden ratio, giving it a natural, elegant look. And the new industry-first microfiber vegan leather back, it's not just premium, it's durable and environmentally conscious. Let's talk a bit more about the microfiber vegan leather back, because it's honestly one of my favorite things about this phone. OnePlus didn't just choose this material for its look. It's also a game changer in terms of practicality and feel. This texture gives you that premium soft to the touch sensation, but it's also surprisingly grippy. That means fewer accidental slips and drops when you're handling the phone. What I love most is how resistant it is to fingerprints and smudges, unlike traditional glass backs that are basically smudge magnets. This microfiber vegan leather stays looking clean all day long. It also adds an extra layer of durability, making the phone better equipped to handle everyday wear and tear, without the need for a case. Speaking of cases, this year all of the official OnePlus cases do come with MagSafe compatible options. So if you want that extra protection and you still want to use your iPhone accessories, you can with this case, which is one of the things I really love about this device. It's the perfect blend of form, function, and eco-friendliness. Now, this phone is light at just 210 grams and slim at 8.5 millimeters thick. But don't let that fool you, it's a tough device. It's equipped with ceramic guard, one of the most durable display glasses out there, delivering exceptional drop and scratch protection. Plus, this device has got IP68 and IP69 ratings, meaning it can handle water immersion and even high temperature water jets. So whether you're in unpredictable weather or rough terrain, this phone is built to keep up. You can literally throw it into a laundry machine and it'll be just fine. Yeah, that's how durable this phone is. Let's talk about the display. The OnePlus 13 features the world's first DisplayMate A++ rated display, and honestly it has earned that title. You're looking at a Quad HD Plus Pro XDR panel with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling, the visuals are next level. The peak brightness hits 1600 nits in high brightness mode and an insane 4500 nits for true vibrant true-to-life colors. It adapts seamlessly to any lighting condition, whether you're outdoors under harsh sunlight or chilling indoors. Now combine that with a quad curved glass display that transitions smoothly into a flat mid-frame, and you've got a display that's as functional as it is stunning. And it's not just about the looks. OnePlus has taken the functionality to the next level. There's a feature called glove mode on this device. The display works perfectly even if you're wearing woolen or sheepskin gloves up to 0.5 centimeters thick. It's perfect for bikers, winter weather, or anyone who just hates taking off their gloves to answer a phone call. Then there's Aqua Touch 2.0. Whether your hands are wet, oily, or you're using your phone inside a waterproof pouch, this display remains responsive. This isn't just a screen, it's a tool built to handle real-life scenarios without skipping a beat. When it comes to eye care, traditional OLED displays can strain your eyes, especially at night. But OnePlus has addressed this with a 2160Hz high-frequency PWM dimming display. It significantly reduces flicker, making the display much easier on your eyes. It's also certified by Rhineland Eye Care 4.0, so you know it's legit. So if you're binge watching a session before bed or scrolling through social media late at night, your eyes will literally thank you. Now let's talk about power. The OnePlus 13 packs the largest battery we've ever seen in a OnePlus device, a massive 6000 mAh battery. And get this, it's not bulky or heavy like those gaming phones with similar capacity. So what's the secret sauce? OnePlus's silicone nanostack battery technology, which uses a 10% silicon carbon composite anode to push energy density to 805 watts per liter. That's 5.5% better than previous generations. The 6000 mAh battery on the OnePlus 13 has been nothing short of impressive. On lighter days, I've been able to stretch it out to 2 full days of usage, which is practically unheard of in the flagship smartphone world. Even on busier days with heavy gaming, streaming, and social media, it comfortably delivers an astounding 8 hours of screen on time. This phone isn't about lasting all day long, it's about lasting through anything you throw at it. Whether you're constantly on the go or you just want the peace of mind of reliable battery life, the OnePlus 13 nails it in this department. Charging is no slouch either. With 18 watts wired fast charging, you can go from 1 to 100% in just 36 minutes. And for all of you who love wireless charging, there's this new 50 watt AirVook charging. Yeah, 50 watts wirelessly using magnets. And battery anxiety, just forget about it. This phone is built to keep up with even the busiest days. Whether it's back-to-back Zoom calls, hours of gaming, or Netflix marathons, the OnePlus 13 delivers in the battery department. Now, under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is my first time using a flagship with this SoC, and it's fast, like ridiculously fast. Pair that SoC with Oxygen OS 15, and you've got one of the smoothest software experiences out there. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or heavy photo editing, this phone handles it all with ease. I just want to take a moment to highlight the new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, because this is the first time we're seeing it on a OnePlus device, and it's been impressive. Unlike traditional fingerprint readers, this one is lightning fast and extremely reliable. You just tap and it's instant. No delays, no failed attempts. Whether your hands are dry, slightly wet, or even oily, it works every single time. It's positioned perfectly under the display so it feels natural to use, and it blends seamlessly into the phone's design. When it comes to gaming, the OnePlus 13 shines as a gaming powerhouse, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a generous 16GB of RAM, at least on my model. This combination delivers buttery smooth gameplay whether you're diving into a graphic-intense game or juggling multiple apps in the background. What really sets apart this phone though when it comes to gaming is the thermal management. OnePlus has nailed it here on this front. No overheating even during marathon sessions. This phone stays cool to the touch, ensuring consistent performance without throttling. So whether you're chasing victories in competitive gaming or just enjoying some casual fun, the OnePlus 13 delivers an experience that's hard to beat. Alright, now let's talk about the OnePlus 13's camera performance, because the photos speak for themselves. OnePlus has once again teamed up with Hasselblad, and this time it's their 5th generation camera for mobile. The main sensor is a 50 megapixel Sony LYT-808 sensor. It's sharp, it's bright, and it's versatile. The dynamic range share is excellent, capturing details in both the shadows and highlight without any overexposure. In low-light scenarios, the Hasselblad partnership truly shines. The colors stay natural and the details don't get lost in the noise. Just look at these indoor shots. The textures of the pastries pops, and the warm lighting of the restaurants is accurately preserved without being overly saturated. When it comes to portrait photography on the OnePlus 13, I've been blown away. The shots are simply stunning. The depth mapping is precise, offering a natural and creamy bokeh effect that make your subject pop. Take a look at this portrait picture of my dog Grover. The details on the fur are incredible, and the background separation is handled beautifully. You also get accurate skin tones and sharpness without overdoing it, which is something many flagship phones still struggle with to this day. The Hasselblad tuning really shines here, delivering colors that are vibrant yet realistic. Whether you're shooting in indoor lightings like this dessert shot or capturing candid moments outdoors, the OnePlus 13 consistently nails it. This is a camera that makes taking high quality portraits feel effortless. The ultra-wide camera doesn't disappoint either. With a 120-degree field of view, it captures expansive shots without distorting the edges. And that teleprism telephoto lens, it brings some seriously impressive zoom shots that remain crisp and detailed. Whether you're shooting indoors, outdoors, or in challenging lighting conditions, the OnePlus 13's 5th generation Hasselblad camera system consistently delivers flagship results. And for the video, smooth 4K recording at 60 FPS makes this a great option for creators. It still doesn't beat out the iPhone 16 Pro when it comes to video, but this phone is still a really great option. Now, coming from Pixel UI, I wasn't sure how Oxygen OS 15 would compare, but I've been blown away by just how smooth and polished it is. The animations, the transitions, and the overall fluidity, it's all baked in so well to the OnePlus 13. Everything feels intentional, from the bounce in the UI to the speed at which apps open and close. It's the kind of software experience that makes everyday interactions with your phone feel enjoyable, and that's something you cannot say about every device. In my opinion, Oxygen OS 15 is refined, intuitive, and downright delightful to use. One of its standout features is intelligent search, powered by AI and Google Gemini models. It lets you search through local files using natural language. It's like having a personal assistant for your phone. No more digging through folders, just type what you're looking for and it pulls it up instantly. For all of my US viewers out there, this year the OnePlus 13 is compatible with Verizon, Telus, and AT&T. You can now experience the OnePlus 13 in all of its glory on your favorite carrier. So what's the final verdict? The OnePlus 13 is a phone that delivers across the board. Design, performance, battery life, cameras, you name it. Starting at $899, this might be the best value flagship of the year already, and we're just in January of 2025. So that really does speak volumes about this device. This is going to be my daily driver from here on out. We'll see what Samsung has in store with the S25 Ultra coming up, but for now, the OnePlus 13 is hard to beat. If you guys made it to the end of this video, drop a dolphin emoji down in the comments below. I would love to know who my true supporters are. My name is RJ. Subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to flex with your tech. And I'll be seeing you guys all in the next one.